Hello, if you wonder can you remove date and weather from home screen, I can tell you that yes, but you have to install some third-party apps from the Play Store, open the Play Store and search for the Microsoft Launcher. You have to download it, after that open this app, make the setup, and after that, as you can see, I am using the Microsoft Launcher right now and I have no this date and weather on my home screen. So only this allows you to get rid of this date and weather from your home screen. There is no another way to do it. Maybe some other launchers from the Play stores, but you cannot uh, remove it by using the system settings. So now if you want to switch back to the normal Pixel 10 launcher, you have to open Microsoft Launcher, scroll all the way down, go to advanced settings, switch to another launcher, and now as you can see I have selected Pixel Launcher, but no worries about this. Click on the Pixel Launcher and now I am back into the Pixel Launcher, on the normal launcher on my Google Pixel. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.